Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Keandra Lachey coming back with another video for you guys. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe. If you're not new, welcome back. As you can see from the title, I am doing a first impression on the iPhone 12 Pro Max. If you've been following me, subscribe to me, then you know that my old phone, which was the iPhone 10, was messed up, and I used to make videos off of it. You couldn't hear me. You couldn't really hear me, or you couldn't hear me at all. I can't even, when I answer the phone, I either have to be wearing my AirPods or put them on speaker because I can't hear you. It's just a lot, but I'm doing this unboxing or first impression for you guys so you can determine if you may want to get the phone too. If so, cool. If not, cool. But enough of this, let's get into this video. Okay, so this is a box. This is a box we're getting. Okay, and I'm over here using these little scissors. Whoa, dang. This mug costs $1,200. Yeah, okay. So here it is. And I got the blue color and the Pacific blue color, and I got it in 128 gigabytes. Okay, let's see. I don't want to tilt it too much because if the phone come out, oh, bang! This blue color, look at that. This blue color is life. I'm trying to tell you. Yes. Okay. Okay, that was the back. Oh, I was gonna show you the front, but it got this thing on it. I'm not gonna take it out just yet because I can't mess this phone up. Okay, but anyways, it came with the instruction manual, or whatever you want to call it, and then a charger. But oops. But no block piece, no box. Like, really? So I had to go on apple.com and buy me a $20 box because Apple decided, oh, I don't want to send the box with the phones anymore. Who does that? But okay, so here's the back of the phone, and here's the front. I don't want to take it all the way off, but I am going to I'm gonna put the screen protector and case on it and everything, and you know, program it, and then I'll be back to show you guys what the display looks like. Okay. Hey guys, so I'm back. So I had to transfer everything to this phone, and it took about like 15 minutes, but here it is. This is my lock screen, me and baby J. And then cause I had you know, the iOS 14 update or whatever, so I had some stuff up here, but it's all just whatever, so I'm gonna have to fix that. But this is what it looks like, and here's the back of the phone. This case I got off Amazon. It's just a glitter case. I did put the screen protector on it, but yeah, I mean, there's really not really much to it. All the iPhones look the same. I love the blue color though. It is a bigger phone compared to what I was coming from the iPhone 10. So I mean, yeah, if y'all have any questions or anything, just comment down below and let me know. But if not, then thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.